In the legal field, it's not just the casework that makes practice feel overwhelming. Attorneys often find themselves buried under a layer of invisible tasks, work that isn't reflected in billable hours, yet demands time, attention, and energy. This invisible workload is one of the most overlooked reasons why law can feel harder than it should. But with the right systems and support, it doesn't have to stay that way. The weight of the invisible. Invisible workload in law firms can take many forms. Endless emails that pull focus from strategic thinking. Document revisions that seem minor but add up over hours. Scheduling, follow-ups, and coordination that derail momentum. File organization that must be precise but rarely gets recognized. These tasks are essential, yet they rarely show up on paper as legal work. Instead, they pile up silently, creating exhaustion and inefficiency. Why? It matters. The invisible workload isn't just inconvenient. It affects everything. Attorney well-being. When the hidden tasks never end, burnout can follow. Case outcomes. Small oversights in unnoticed work can have major consequences. Client experience. Delays and miscommunication erode trust. Firm growth. Attorneys often feel stuck in the weeds and have little time to focus on strategy or expansion. How to fix it? Addressing the invisible workload requires intentional systems, delegation, and support structures. Here are 3 proven strategies. Systematize repetitive tasks, create templates, checklists, and workflows that standardize recurring processes. The more repeatable a task, the less mental energy it should consume. Delegate the details. Not every task requires an attorney's time. By outsourcing administrative support, attorneys can focus their energy where it matters most: advocacy and client strategy. Invest in workflow tools. From practice management software to document automation, technology can reduce the weight of invisible tasks and streamline operations. The role of legacy contracts. At Legacy Contracts, we specialize in managing the hidden layers of law firm operations so attorneys can do what they do best. Whether it's handling case preparation, refining workflows, or improving communication systems, we help law firms transform invisible work into visible results. Because law should be challenging in the right ways, not harder than it has to be. Ready to lighten the invisible workload in your practice? Connect with Legacy Contracts to explore solutions tailored to your firm.